Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook group. Facebook groups have long served as virtual meeting places for individuals with shared interests, goals, or affiliations. These online communities can foster connections, facilitate discussions, and promote collaboration. However, there may come a time when you find it necessary to delete a Facebook group, whether it's due to a shift in priorities, a decline in activity, or simply the need to move on. Understanding the process of deleting a Facebook group is essential. Here are the step-by-step instructions to how to delete a Facebook group on the mobile app. First, go to Facebook app on your mobile. Tap the menu icon on the top right corner or bottom right corner of your Facebook screen. Then tap on Groups and select the group that you want to delete. Tap on the page title to access option. Then go to Members. To remove each group member, tap the three dots next to their name and select Remove Member. Once all members have been removed, the next step is to leave the group yourself. Return to the group page and tap on the shield icon. Then click the three dots. Scroll to the bottom and select Leave Group. Confirm your decision by clicking Delete Group or Leave Group again in the pop-up box. And that's it. You have successfully deleted or leave the Facebook group. Remember, deleting a Facebook group is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So, make sure that you're absolutely sure you want to delete the group before proceeding. And once you do, take comfort in the fact that you've taken a positive steps towards creating a better online space for yourself and others. It's not possible to recover a deleted Facebook group. Facebook has a strict policy that once a group is deleted, it cannot be restored. If you wish to use the group again, you will need to create a new one. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.